guys, it's Kelsey and Kendra. So for today's video, Kelsey and I partnered up with Nioxin again for you guys to talk about scalp health. So for those of you that struggle with dry, itchy scalp like myself, scalp health is very, very important. So pretty much if you want to grow healthy hair, you need to start with a healthy scalp, of course. And since I started using the Nioxin scalp therapy line and the scalp recovery line, my scalp is a lot less dry and irritated. And Kendra and I have been using these products for a little bit over a year now. I did mention their shampoo in my hair routine video because I really needed it at that time. Just sometimes I really need extra help in the scalp department. This is the 3-step system, and they've actually reformulated it so that it's safe for color treated hair, natural hair, and chemically treated hair. So of course, if you guys aren't familiar with the Nioxin 3-step kits, usually it always comes with a cleanser, which is the shampoo, and a matching conditioner, and then the third product is usually a treatment. They have a scalp and hair treatment. So it's a really easy system. So of course it's good for a dry, itchy scalp, but it also improves the thickness and the fullness of your hair while it's helping your scalp as well. And if you've been noticing abnormal shedding, itching, excessive dandruff, or excessive oil production, you should probably start using the proper ingredients to combat those things. And Corinthian zinc and peppermint oil are in these products, and those are key ingredients to a healthy scalp and helping with dandruff. So everybody's scalp reacts in different ways depending on what you're doing and how active you are. So if you work out a lot and you sweat a lot, your scalp can also produce a lot of oil from that as well. So you want to make sure you're using a shampoo and conditioner with those ingredients. So I personally have a dry, itchy scalp on and off, and the scalp therapy line really helps me with that. I like to use the conditioner to co-wash my hair when I'm curly, and it feels really, really nice on the scalp. Like the peppermint just makes your scalp feel nice and cool and like soothing as well. So I like that a lot about the conditioner. And of course I shampoo at least once a month when I'm curly to get rid of all the buildup on my scalp from all the curly hair products that I use throughout the month. So that's probably also why my scalp is sometimes very itchy, because of all the product buildup. So make sure you're using a nice clarifying shampoo with those ingredients in it. And the Nioxin shampoo is like the #1 shampoo I reach for when I'm trying to get rid of dandruff and when my scalp is extremely, extremely itchy. So the scalp recovery system also gives you a nice balance. So if you have a dry, itchy scalp and you have dry hair, it gives you nice moisture balance, so it doesn't strip your hair of the natural oils, but it also does what it needs to do for your scalp. So that way you're taking care of your scalp issues like dermatitis or dandruff if you have that. So yeah, like Kendra said, it gives the hair a nice balance that it needs, because if your hair is producing too many oils, then that can lead to fungi and bacteria, which can lead to all of the scalp conditions that we mentioned before. And I did not know that it could lead to fungi, which is kind of gross. Yeah. So even though Kelsey and I are talking about scalp health in this video, which is very important to achieve healthy hair, to maintain healthy hair, Kelsey and I always stress deep conditioning is a major key for us in any hair routine, whether our hair is curly or straight. And we recommend that you guys please deep condition. When people ask us questions about what we do to get our hair healthy or nourish it back to health, if we've been styling it too much, or for someone who's trying to grow their hair out, we would stress deep conditioning. And my current favorite is this one. I've been loving this Nioxin 3D Intensive Deep Protect Density Mask. This is so bomb. So it does a really good job at detangling my hair, especially for my curls, because you guys know that curly hair gets really tangled and it's really annoying. This does a really good job at detangling the hair. It's really buttery. It's almost like a whippy buttery texture. I'm obsessed with the way this feels in my hair. And like I said, it smells amazing. Like I kind of wish all my products smell like this. Yeah, it smells that good. And it's not too fragrant. It's not too overpowering, but it's just a nice scent. Besides the scent, the actual product is really great. So I highly recommend you guys try this. And it does say that this is an anti-breakage strengthening treatment. So it's really good if you are struggling with breakage and your hair keeps breaking off. So I highly recommend this for breakage especially. So balance is key when it comes to taking care of your hair. Make sure you're taking care of your scalp as well as your actual strands. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description box to get your hands on the Nioxin products, as well as a link to the Nioxin consultation tool so you guys can see which products best suit your hair needs. And also, if you guys want to get your hands on the Nioxin products quicker and you want them in store, they do have them at Ulta. So go to your local Ulta if you want to get some of the products that we talked about today. And yeah, that completes this video. We hope you guys found this video informative, and we love putting videos like these on our channel just to help you guys out with your hair health and scalp issues. So we hope it was helpful to you guys, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.